Imperial Global Singapore is our research hub based on an international campus in the heart of Singapore. Here we undertake cutting-edge research to address some of the major challenges that we face globally. Imperial Global Singapore is proud to launch 2 major new AI4Science research programs, supported by the National Research Foundation. Our chemistry program will use AI to speed up the discovery of new catalysts. This is in partnership with the Singaporean government agency A*STAR. Our computing program will ensure the accuracy of software. This is in partnership with the National University of Singapore, the Singapore Management University, MIT and ETH Zurich.
We are aware that we are a small research ecosystem. The problems that we are solving are so large and so difficult to solve that we really need to be open to a global research community. And I think the solutions that we generate or we create here in our labs have profound implications, not just for Singapore, but for the globe. So we want our research partners to spend significant time on the ground here in Singapore.
So AI4Science is a funding initiative, and the goal of this program is really to bring together teams comprised of both AI as well as domain science experts, and for them to really develop novel AI-based methods and tools that could transform scientific discovery. The traditional pace of discovery can be slow, very lab-based and very incremental. So AI4Science is really looking to use AI tools and methods to vastly accelerate the pace of scientific discovery.
Catalysis is fundamental to the sustainable industry. So in this specific project, we'll explore the use of highly automated experimental techniques, combine that with the predictive tools of AI to attempt to discover the next generation of catalysts for sustainable processes. So in this project, we hope to integrate automation and AI to create a new paradigm for catalyst discovery. So by doing so, we'll shorten the timeline for the discovery of new catalysts to accelerate green manufacturing processes, new energy solutions, as well as sustainable future for zero carbon emission.
Our upcoming research program is part of AI4Science initiative in Singapore. It's called AI4 Program Reasoning. So AI is completely reshaping the way we build software these days. And what has happened is that we're seeing an acceleration in the pace of software development assisted by AI. But AI can also have hallucinations. So the code contributed by AI is often unreliable and in fact can be a source of bugs and security vulnerabilities. In our upcoming research program, we plan to resolve this tension by combining these new modern AI techniques with traditional program analysis techniques grounded in mathematics to achieve the best of both worlds.
One of the aims of Imperial Global Singapore is to create a knowledge bridge between our 2 countries, supporting a flow of talent, research ideas and knowledge generation. So why partner with Imperial Global Singapore? Well, we bring world-leading scientific expertise, a global perspective driven by our Science for Humanity mission, and a collaborative ethos.